Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to replace a battery in a Mercedes Benz Key Fob. And if you're watching this video, you've probably seen this warning on your dashboard telling you to change your key batteries. And it's a good idea to change them out before your key fob stops working and locks you out of your car. And before you get started on it, you'll need to make sure you have the right battery for your car. And as you can see here, Mercedes have their own part number for it. And you get 2 in the packet, which is enough for both of your key fobs. But if you want to buy elsewhere, and in fairness it'll probably work out cheaper for you that way, then if you have a key fob like this one, and most modern Mercedes cars do, then the battery you're looking for is called a CR2025. Okay, so assuming you've got your new battery ready to go, here's how to replace a battery in a Mercedes Benz Key Fob. The first thing you need to do is slide the little switch across from one side to the other, and that will release the manual key. It's spring loaded, so it'll spring back, so you have to kind of pull it and hold it, and then at the same time pull the manual key free like that. So the manual key was in that position there, and all you have to do is turn them both over, and then instead of in its position it was in originally, you move it across to the other side and reinsert it. And as you can see, it just makes the back pop off, just like that. And now I'll just show you a little bit closer, because this is what you're trying to do when the manual key is inserted. You can just see it poking through there. Now just take note of which way up the battery is. And the easiest way to get the battery out now is just to literally turn it over. And then gently tap it on your hand and the battery will come right out. Now here's your replacement new battery, the CR2025 that I mentioned earlier. And all you do now is you just slide it in here and you tuck it under that edge. And when you push now, it'll just hold it in place. As you can see on the back of the cover, there's a little rubber seal, which gives this some waterproofness. And just while we're looking at the back, you can just see these 2 tabs at one end. Well, that's the side you insert first. So I'll flip it over, and then inserting those 2 tabs into this end here. And now go ahead and click this back edge down. And you'll hear it snap into place just like that. And now that you're finished with it, you can just pop this manual key back in and it'll snap back into place. Just like that. Okay, so I hope that video helped you replace your key fob battery. And if it did, then please give me a thumbs up and maybe I'll catch you in the next video. Thanks for watching and bye for now.